Let me show you how to send photos in TikTok messages. This is private to only the person you're sending those photos or videos to. Now first open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android, and we need to get to your inbox and of course start a conversation with somebody. So let's say you're chatting with somebody. To send a photo, you can either tap on the camera icon and take a quick photo and hit send, or you can also just tap on the gallery icon and choose any of these photos to upload and then of course hit send. Now, if you don't see that photo option either with the camera here or the gallery icon there, you need to make sure your app is fully updated. So essentially go through the process of updating your app. This is a fairly new feature. So update it if you don't get that option, or if you don't see that even after updating it, you can also go through the process of offloading the app and reinstalling it. This fixes tons of bugs and glitches, and it force updates it to the latest version, giving you these features. So go through the process of offloading and then reinstalling the app. Then after that basically reinstalls, you'll be able to send and receive those photo messages.